Hello my wonderful people, welcome to my platform. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across this channel, you like what you see, please subscribe, put on your notification bell. It is very important because it will enable you to know when I upload a new video. In this platform, I present to you news on daily basis. What I do before I present the news, I analyze it and I sit down there to watch it together with you, and we'll come to the comment section to talk about. You are free to criticize, to drop your opinion or whatever you think about the video. And I want to also use this opportunity to give credit to all those that have been using their program and my channel. May God Almighty bless you. I bring to you news about Nigeria.
Here for Abuja, where security presence done full ground bracketed. For the court area, security done tight across the court area as the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the proscribed leader of IPOB, will resume today for the Federal High Court for Nigerian capital, Abuja. Security done beef up in every area around the court. Sake of also, if you major street, strategic location for the capital, security don't beef up around the area. Today, by 9 o'clock, the courtrooms go open and the trial of Nnamdi Kanu go resume. But now we give on a situation report as to waiting they happen for ground for here. We know say on the 26th of July the trial supposed to resume, but sake of say the prosecution lawyer, that's in the government lawyer, no bring Kanu enter court, the case be no go on. And today many persons they watch, they look whether Kanu go enter court this morning. Now sake of that, you see say security plenty bracketed for everywhere. Strategic locations for Abuja, security also there. You see say now, you see say different traffic done the build up for around this area for the court houses for Nigerian capital. So today expectations they high, the security people they really tensed. Then they check, make sure say they check people where before they go in, and those who no get accreditation, they know they allow them go in. Plenty drama, plenty drama go happen for here today. Sake of say even those where they walk around the area no fit get access into the premises, into the area. Sake of say they no get ID card or they no get anything to identify them. But for many Nigerians now go they wonder waiting una go they expect today. So make I take una back to waiting been happen last time. Last time when this trial supposed to resume on the 26th of July, Nnamdi Kanu be no show, and that thing been really make the lawyer and also many supporters of Nnamdi Kanu to ask waiting happen. He did well. Why they no bring am? But the truth be say, they clear whether Nnamdi Kanu go enter court today, but we know for sure say the Nigerian government don't amend charges against Nnamdi Kanu, and even the lawyer on the 26th of July been also don't send applications say make them come out Nnamdi Kanu from the DSS hand, make them carry am come the correctional center where we know say as prison, so that they go get access to am, since they say they no fit get access to am. So basically waiting we go they see today be say for inside court we go see supporters, some southeastern leaders go there inside the court. We also go know say some supporters of Nnamdi Kanu go there inside the court. The lawyer don't talk say they go get about 50 lawyers to represent, and we don't know how many of them go come the court today, but we know say lawyers go represent them for court today. And then a bit of drama where happened last time fit happen because some people go want push themselves enter. If in supporters enter street, then go face face off from the police. Sake of say police don't put together people where go maintain peace and order for that area, and then say they don't want to make people litter around the area. No supporters go do anything, but if in supporters come, we feel see say then go get a bit of clash with the security. And so make we take una go through the cases which don't happen since 2015 where Nnamdi Kanu trial start. How in 2017 then grant am bail where in come japa from Nigeria and they no find them again until if this trial start today. This now the 4 years after he come up for the country where the trial go resume. And so make waiting go to happen for here this morning. Nigerians they wait. Everybody they wait to see whether he go appear for court. If you know appear for court, it will raise some concern for in lawyers, since they say many of them say the lawyers say they never fit reach and well, and they feel say make them put them for correctional center where they go get access to run. So basically we did the Federal High Court gate, just away from the gate of the Federal High Court. Now we they bring on this story where they happen, and we did here. If you just the watchers, this now BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Federal High Court Abuja, where we go to bring on all the story on top Nnamdi Kanu trial today. And so if you just watch this now BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Federal High Court, waiting we know so far we say the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, go they expected in court today, and he go they face in trial. And we know say the Nigerian government don't summer with charges on alleged act of terrorism and treasonable felony. For the last hearing, I've been done talk say the federal government been carry several charges come court against the IPOP leader, but ahead of today trial, government don't amend some of the charges. Also, we tell una say before in June, we know say the Attorney General of the Federation been come out say where they catch and they been come out say and they don't find them, and then they find them from one African country. In people say now from Kenya, but the Kenya government don't say no be from Kenya, they find them. And since then we don't reach almost 18 weeks where you don't take government custody where to face this trial. So now very landmark trial for Nigeria. The case where then they charge them against a very serious case for the country, and therefore many people they focus and they look and where to see how this trial go carry waka. So now waiting will happen today for the Federal High Court for the Nigerian capital be this. So if you look we take on a bit go where the police people dey, the security people dey, go see say they don't they scrutinize people very well. They don't they make sure say people no just enter the place anyhow. So now very tight security day ground, very tight security. If you look, you see say even their vans they everywhere. Security people where they come work today, then gas face some serious traffic jam sake of the road where they block for every part of the city. So now waiting day ground for the Federal High Court it is. Expectations they high. Supporters they look out for waiting go fit happen. The government say they don't prepare and they don't get everything ready to prepare for the trial. So we're going to see how the trial go kick off. BBC Pidgin reporter also go day inside the court. They bring on all the story where they inside court, and me I go day outside here to tell you now all the drama and the men that were going to happen outside, and to make sure say we educate and inform una exactly on top waiting they happen on top Nnamdi Kanu trial for the Nigerian capital Abuja. Okay, if you just the watchers, this now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Nigerian capital Abuja. Any moment from now, the courtrooms will they open for the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Many Nigerians they watch waiting go happen. So make we go through a bit of the charges where they don't amend, where the government will bring come court today. We know say they don't also say Kanu they allegedly they use in radio broadcast from London where he both to separate southeast and south and some part of Kogi and Benue State from Nigeria to form Biafra land. We also know say Kanu they say they use in radio broadcast from London. They abuse Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari, where him called the president pedophile, terrorist and idiot and embodiment of evil. We know say then they hold on top case on top saying allegedly import radio transmitter where be tram 550L where he hide inside container go keep for Ihiala, Anambra State. So some of these cases and these charges now waiting, then they hold on for be that. And so from here we go know waiting from this moment, any moment from now the court go resume and we go know waiting they happen for inside court and waiting how the trial go shape up inside court.
Wonderful people, thank you so much for watching this video together with me. I appreciate your massive support in this channel. Before, if it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Now that we have finished watching this video together, you saw me sitting there watching it together with you. I appreciate you. Let's go to the comment section to talk about it. If it is your first time, subscribe, put on your notification bell. That notification bell is very, very important